Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using these platforms, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're comparing two popular cryptocurrency wallets, ZenGo, https://zengo.com, and Exodus, https://www.exodus.com. Choosing the right wallet is a crucial step in managing your digital assets, and each platform offers a distinct approach to security, features, and user experience. Let's dive in and explore what sets them apart. ZenGo promotes itself as a keyless wallet utilizing MPC, multi-party computation, technology. This means your private keys are never stored in a single location, theoretically enhancing security against hacking attempts. ZenGo also boasts a user-friendly interface, making it a potentially attractive option for newcomers to the crypto space. However, it's worth noting that this reliance on MPC can present some limitations regarding interacting with certain decentralized applications, dApps. Exodus, on the other hand, is a non-custodial wallet, providing users with full control over their private keys. This gives users more autonomy and broader compatibility with various dApps. Exodus also offers a wider selection of supported cryptocurrencies and a built-in exchange feature, simplifying the process of swapping between different assets. However, this expanded functionality may contribute to a slightly steeper learning curve for beginners compared to ZenGo's streamlined approach. Both ZenGo and Exodus offer mobile apps for iOS and Android, enabling convenient access to your crypto on the go. When choosing between the two, consider your individual needs and priorities. If simplicity and perceived security are paramount, ZenGo's keyless approach might be appealing. If you require more control, broader dApp compatibility, and a wider range of supported assets, Exodus could be the better choice. Ultimately, both wallets provide reputable options for managing your cryptocurrency, and the best one for you depends on your specific requirements and comfort level. Do your own research to ensure the platform you choose aligns with your individual needs.